Hello, Yoga Hippie here. Thanks for tuning in today. I've been trying to get this video to you for I don't know how many days now, but I've been traveling again. And so I'm currently at my friend's house in Kansas City, my friend Casey, and I'm just going to be here till the 2nd of June, and then I am going camping for my 50th birthday. And then I'm going camping again, straight from that campground to my friend's house, actually overnight, just spend the night there. And then we're going camping to another place for a survival course. So I'm pretty excited about that. And I'll have seen a lot of my friends this visit. I'm in the works of that right now. So I'm not working as much as I usually do when I come into town. I had sort of set that as a goal on my last visit. I just feel kind of over it all, I guess. Like, I want to, I mean, when I say over it all, I mean, like, I kind of, like, killed myself, working when I would come here. So I'm not really doing that this time. So also because of COVID, but also my injured wrist and all of that. So I'm offering my services, but just not very much. And I have a few appointments, so that'll be helpful. Otherwise, I think I got out that my name was Kristina on this video. Welcome back. Anyway, I'm going to tag on after this little couple of minutes. I'm going to add on all the things I've been doing. I've gone to Shawnee National Forest, which was absolutely beautiful. And I'm going back to the little inn after I leave here. I'm going to get back there the beginning of the second week of June. And see how it goes, but I think I'm going to be there through the season. So until October, where I'm ending my stay there with a retreat there. So more about all of those things later, but I did want to get out a little video, a brief update just to say what was up and where I was in the world, and that I had left the Smoky Mountains and I'm in Kansas City and having fun visiting my friends, and I'm going to celebrate my 5-0, and that's all. So I've been having fun camping again and being, in a new place, an old new place. And I hope that you are starting to reemerge from all this COVID stuff, and that, we can start to move forward in life, all of us collectively. So anyway, best of luck to you. And I'll talk with you again real soon. So enjoy all my little compilations of my hikes that have been going on over the last few days. The first one is a waterfall. I went to 2 waterfalls in 2 different places, but the first one is spectacular, and that hike was amazing. It was Spruce Falls Flats. Is that right? No, Spruce Flat Falls. And then that was in Tremont in the Smoky Mountain National Park. And then the second one was in the Shawnee National Forest, and that one was called Jackson Falls, and that was beautiful too, and I loved camping there. And then yesterday I went hiking with my daughter at Hodge Park in Pleasant Hill or Pleasant Valley, somewhere out in Missouri. It was so fun and very beautiful in the middle of a city, basically. So, well, it's not really in the middle, but kind of on the outsides. So anyway, that's all I've got for you today. Peace. Look at this family. Oh my God. They're so adorable. They just did this whole maneuver. They walked along the side of the bank because they were on the other side, and they're like fighting this current, getting across. The mom and dad are like, "Come on, kids, you can do it. You can do it." Oh my God, they're so cute. Oh my God, they're so adorable. Where are they going now? Oh my God, they're so cute. Back in the water. I know, but they're so cute to watch, right? Do you know what river this is? No? Look at how pretty. So we're in the Smoky Mountains, Smoky Mountain National Park, and we're going on a hike. Well, we were gonna go on this Tremont hike, but the road's closed, so we're just walking the road to the trailhead, because that's a long walk. Seriously. This is the road we're walking on. It's so beautiful. We're just like walking past this. Beautiful. There are just little waterfalls everywhere. I don't. Okay, look at this one. Look at this one. So pretty. We've passed so many of these, but they're beautiful. So we got here. My friend Andrea's with me, but I don't know if she wants to be on camera. So, when I say we, I mean my friend Andrea. Look how pretty that is. I love you, Tennessee. You're the only thing I love as much as an ocean. Oh my God. I'm gonna cry. It's so beautiful. No. So we're going to the falls, which I think is a mile away, because we've already been walking up this road, because the road's closed. Normally you can park close to the trailhead. So we've already walked a bunch, but I want to go up this to the falls. It's like a mile away. I'm pretty excited. Like there's some little benches over there. Do you see it? Fine. Gotta shave. And we're dying coming up this thing. It's good. It's good. Look at that. It's beautiful. All right, we're going up, 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 up. There we go. Look at this. It's like a monster tree. Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta go because we're looking for a bathroom. I mean, there's not one. We're looking for a place to go to the bathroom. Well, I was trying to get these crazy stairs, but the sun's all over them. Fun, huh? Oh my goodness. And I'm not using the stairs because I'm a weirdo. I heard a little scampering about. Oh my God. No, it was not. It had little, you know, nails, claws. Everything's closed. Oh my goodness, look at this. What? Oh my God, so much fun. That was a little trek. We just came up. This is where we're going. Look how cute. Oh my God. It's 12:34, folks. 12:34. All day with the numbers. Look at this trail. So, for those of you who don't follow numerology, all day long, Spirit and the angels talk to me and they let me know they're with me by all the numbers. So I see 222, 333, 444, 555. I see them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 1234. Anyway. Can you see it? That's a crazy ass trail. I'm gonna come out here as much as possible. Right? Look at the moss. I won't video you. Look at this. Oh my god, there's water coming out of everywhere. It's hard to see. Nobody can see you. Nobody's here. We found a place to pop a squat. Oh my god, look at this. It's so beautiful. No. Leave no trace. All right. Mountain laurels. That's what we're looking at. These little flowers. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. They're all over the place. Look. Mountain laurels. I love you. Okay. We're going to a waterfall. Look at that. Video of this. It's hard to see what we just came through, all these rocks and water. There's water up there too. You just can't see it. There's a waterfall. Do you hear it? No. What's this? I know. I'm watching where I'm going, not where I'm filming, so I'm sorry if the filming is not on the right way. Oh wow, look at this. That's fine. Oh my goodness. Right. That we just came down that. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is huge. It goes way up there. I'm gonna show you. Now, oh my goodness. Wait till you see this. Wait for it. Where those are the steps we just came down. Right? Fingers in the way. I don't know. Technical difficulties. Right. Look! So pretty. We had a photo op. We did it! We did it! More waterfall. Turn it around. That's gonna be, look at how big that is. Sorry. Ah, that's scary. All right. Oh my god. Back is strawberry patch. beautiful drive out of town, out of the country. Little rivers to the right. I don't know if you can see it down there. It's hard to see. It's terrible. Can't really look because I gotta drive. Anyway, this is beautiful. The other direction goes to the Smoky Mountains, and it's much prettier. But this is still freaking amazing. I mean, look at this. Look at this! So pretty. Yep. I'm leaving Strawberry Patch for just like 3 weeks. Cool. Lulu! What's this area called?
Hear me. Where we're at?
Yeah.
We're kind of in Gladeville, but it's called Lebanon.
Lebanon, Tennessee.
Tennessee.
Lebanon, Tennessee.
Yep, don't look at Sanford, son. You're going to.
And this is Jake.
Yep. He knows his name.
Oh my God, what's his name? Lou? He's huge. Okay, I'm not. No?
No.
Do I have to let him sniff me or anything?
No.
Oh.
Like, why is she not petting me? That's what he's thinking. Hey, buddy.
Oh, look.
I just look at his hooves and go, holy crap.
Oh my God, he's so big.
You're a monster. You're a monster.
He's
Your
so
mouth
big.
is so big. You got flies on you already. Yes, you do. You got flies on you.
Look.
His neck is so big. I mean, they're good. Ain't you good?
Lou.
He
Wow.
wants to eat our grass.
Sometimes I question my sanity. I'm in the middle of a forest near a waterfall in Illinois called Jackson Falls. And I visited with my friend Paige TULUM, and I wound up getting to my campsite in the Shawnee National Forest at dark during an intermittent rainstorm. So I just drove on this crazy, stressful, bouldery, messed up road where I had to cross a creek twice in my fucking lowrider Prius. Finally to get to this campsite, which is literally just like a muddy, I mean, it's beautiful already, but it's dark. So I turned my car off, and it is pitch dark in my car. I mean, because it's pitch dark outside of my car. Like my campsite. Well, not that, but that's the road. I pulled in here, it was really dark, and apparently I pulled in right by one of the trailheads. It's pretty funny. To the waterfalls, because a big truck came and parked. The whole family got out. Like in my car. Anyway, this is Shawnee National Forest, and I slept in today. It was nice, and people park all along this road to go on the hike, so I'm about to go. Scary! This is like a little ledge. I have a height thing. So I will not be going to the edge, but look, there's a lot of people who climb here, and they've got their little chains there to hook onto to belay down, rappel, belay, what is it? Anyway, fun. Do you hear it? Can you hear it? Look how pretty it is. Yay! And there's this side. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's so pretty. This is my campsite. This is my campsite. Oh my goodness. Check it out. You can backpack some trails back here. Super fun. This is George. George. This is my daughter's dog. This is my lovely daughter. What's the name of the park? Hodge Park. We're in Missouri. Hodge Park. Honeysuckle. Oh my God, look how pretty it is. This is like 25, 30 minutes away from Kansas City. This is North Kansas City. Oh, sorry. Wanted to say thank you, Bates, for sending the $15. I really appreciated that. And also like my video if you like it and subscribe for more. Thank you. Have a good day.